Good morning, students. Myself, Bhavna Joshua, will take your English language class today, and today we will start a vocabulary portion. And the first chapter of vocabulary is onomatopoeia. So, in you can see here the definition of onomatopoeia is in the English language. The term onomatopoeia means the imitation of a sound. Imitation means a copy of something real. Imitation means a copy of something real. So, in English language, the term onomatopoeia means a copy of something real of a sound. It refers to the words that sound exactly or almost exactly like the thing that they represent. For example, moo, sound a cow makes. Beep beep, sound of a car horn. Slurp, bang, and crash are the words, they are the sound or almost these are the words that sound exactly or almost exactly like the things they that they represent. Now let's see what it tells you, that sometimes things are named from the sound they make. Listen very carefully, it is a very important thing, children. Sometimes things are named from the sound they make. In English, for example, there are universal fastener. Universal fastener means some of the companies are making the hardware devices. So, universal fastener means it can be defined as it is a hardware device that mechanically joins two or more objects together. See here, universal fastener. It is defined as the hardware device that mechanically joins two or more objects together, which is named for the sound it makes. The zip in the UK or zipper in the US. Many birds are named after their calls, such as the bob white quail, the vireo, the mopoke, the killdeer, chickadees, jays, the cuckoo, the chiffchaff, the whooping crane, and the whippoorwill and the kookaburra. So here you can see, children, that many birds are named after their calls. You can also see uh, the bobwhite quail, the vireo, the mopoke, the killdeer, chickadees, jays, the cuckoo, the chiffchaff, the whooping crane, the whippoorwill, and the kookaburra. So now you can understand, um, these are the name for the sound it makes. It represents the birds, that the sound they make. You can see here in the this cloud, many of the things has been showed to you. Boing, splash, smack, kaboom, arag, crack, room, gulp, puff. So these all words are sound exactly, that sound exactly or almost exactly the thing they represent. So let's move on. So now you can see in Tamil and Malayalam, the word for crow is kaka. This practice is especially common in the certain languages such as Maori. and so in the names of animals borrowed from these languages. So you can see in Tamil and Malayalam the word for crow is called kaka, is used as kaka. This practice is especially common in certain languages such as Maori, and so in the names of animal borrowed from these languages. So the use of onomatopoeia in writing, especially poetry, enhancing the appeal for reader. So here the word come enhancing. Enhancing means to improve something or to make something look better in appearance, and the appeal for the reader means exactly it has been written especially in the poet, and it improves the material and the appeal for the reader to read the poem with great interest. So the word are descriptive. Descriptive means describe somebody, something, especially in a skillful or interesting way. So you I hope that you have understood the meaning of descriptive. Again I will tell you, describe somebody, something, especially in a skillful or interesting way, and help the reader to imagine the events, story or scene, creating a visual impact. Now what is visual impact? Let's see. Visual impacts means a change in the appearance of landscape as a result of development, which can be positive. So every story you have, many times you have heard that all is well that ends well. It is a proverb. So every story, event, scene creating a visual impact which is positive in development. So now read this poem and identify the onomatopoeic words. Mom and dad are home. Slam, slam. Go the car doors, jangle, jangle. Go the house keys, jiggle, jiggle. So now I want that you should tell me that what are those words. I hope you have understood it. So please tell me the words. So it is very easy for us students to understand, because I have already told you in the beginning itself that many of the words are used together. You can see here the onomatopoeic words are slam slam, jangle jangle and jiggle jiggle. So let's move to the another part. Go the keys in the door, squeak. Goes the front door, thump thump. That is me running down the stairs. Guess what? Mom, dad are home. So go the keys in the door. Squeak will be the onomatopoeic word. Goes the front door. Thump thump. Another onomatopoeic words, and that's me running down the stairs. Guess what? Mom and dad are home. So here you have understood that squeak and thump thump is the onomatopoeic words. Here is the short list of onomatopoeic words. Choose some words from the list and use them to write your own poem. You can use different version of the words in the list. For example, if you choose gurgle, you might use one of these instead of gurgles, gurgle and gurgling. So please write the poem with these onomatopoeic words. And write it in your fair copies. First of all, I want that you should write the definition and exercise B and A. A you just underline in your book with the pencil what are the onomatopoeic words, and exercise B you will do in your fair copies. I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.